What's going on, you guys? It's Rydew here.
Redo that. Redo that.
What do you mean?
Redo that.
Oh my goodness. What's going on, you guys?
Let Tyler here.
And Rydew here. And we're just letting you guys know it's actually the end of the series. For Ryan's replacement, I'm actually going to be linking down the playlist down below. There's many videos that we have done. I'd say about what? I'm going to have to pause this for a second.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we have 9 videos. I had to turn it off just to make sure. I had to go back through the uploads. I will not be uploading the other video, maybe later on adding that to the actual official playlist, but I'm going to be linking it up to the Ryan's Replacement series. And if you guys have not checked out those videos yet, I would suggest to go through the playlist down below in the description so you know what you're actually missing up on. Now, we did actually film the whole thing. Everything was staged. Do not take your anger out on Ryan, okay? As I said, like previous weeks ago, we actually planned this whole thing, and I posted in the Rydew Facebook that I wanted to do a series that integrated with our vlogs, and so far, I know maybe 2 or 3 people inside the Rydew official chat kind of failed, and almost sent one of his goons after Ryan because apparently his rap song. So please do not hurt Ryan. Do not, like, literally, it's a fake series.
Right.
So I know Brittany's not here. I know Ryan's not here, but Tyler, on the other hand,
I'm right here, okay?
yeah.
And I gotta talk to you about something off camera.
Oh, what happened? But guys, if they were here, they would be explaining the whole scenes. I may do another video like that, just separate for the commentary later on. Now, this was a continuation branching from the Grandpa Earl series, and just to let you guys know that we're actually doing another, it's not a series, but we're actually doing a fan film later this year. And it's a big surprise for Halloween. So, that's just one thing. But guys, let's roll right into that blooper reel, because I don't know how many takes we actually had to do, but I have it all storage on the laptop and the camera, and I'm actually going to go through it. So, guys, enjoy. So literally, no joke, she decided to throw a monster that wasn't even empty in her window, and she's literally covered in monster juice.
Look at my window!
Yeah.
It's all in my hair, too. Man, I feel wet.
Like, it just literally just splattered all over her.
Oh my god.
She's not being upfront, and we're just gonna wait until later. I'm not gonna be involved in the fight, just letting you guys know. But apparently she wants to start razzling dazzling with fists. So what is it? Do you want to stick with the channel or not?
I quit.
Oh, you quit?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Just like that.
What the fuck?
Really?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And what you gonna do? No, being seriously, what are you gonna do? Because you had so much on there and now you just leave.
I'm leaving. I had it.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
You want to keep your hands off me?
No, I'm gonna keep pushing you.
You want me to call the cops?
God.
You want to put this on bloopers?
And that is the bloopers.
Okay, back to scene. What are you doing? What?
Oh my god.
There's a difference, you know that, right? We've got two alarms. I would be surprised if we had a nuclear alarm, too.
So we just wasted our time rushing back here.
It's alright, it's worth the rush a little bit.
Background.
This is unedited footage, by the way.
I was probably uploaded after.
Like bloopers, yeah.
Oh.
Huh?
Oh, it's night vision.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
This thing is like...
No tornado.
Oh fuck, what the fuck was that? That was nasty. That was a big ass bug. Hope it didn't get in my drink.
There's just James. We thought you were gone from the house.
Well, I guess we are under a tornado warning. Yeah,
But that was a severe weather.
Till 10 o'clock. The alert thing.
There was a tornado in Anna.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
And,
Yeah. Man, that was a bolt of energy. Fuck I never had. I didn't think my car had the
people
balls.
keep driving slow. I was like, come on, people, there's a tornado.
And that guy that works up there at Circle K, he's not even from around here.
Yeah, I know.
What's his name?
I don't know, but that was actually pretty cool.
That was pretty cool.
Come on, flash it again.
Oh my God, take a picture of me.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Broke a wallet to me for identification. Tried to find my body.
Yeah, I got my wallet on me too.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I don't.
Oh, but you're fucked.
We'll just continue this in a little bit.
Where the fuck is he at?
Oh no.
Where's he at? Where the fuck is he at? I don't see him. Bitch ass better come up here.
Really? Oh.
You look lovely tonight.
Thank you.
Here. I'm gonna have fun with this. Where's the money? What happened to my kids?
Where's my fucking child support?
This ain't no job.
Where's my child support at, bitch? Wait, I got this, don't worry. You listen to your motherfucker.
Oh God, take mine.
I can't do it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. It's just really, just came out. No, honestly, nothing. I don't know nothing.
Are you sure about that?
I'm positive. Mm-hmm.
You're positive that you are taking a spot.
It's so hard.
Stop.
Don't laugh.
Right.
It's not funny.
Right. I am taking you. It's so hard.
I think what we got was pretty good enough right there.
Yeah, we could just end it off like black screen right there.
Yeah.
Are we going?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna cut that part out. Are we going? Hello guys, it's your boy Tyler, and today we're gonna have a story time, okay? And what's good, man? We're chilling today. We're just gonna make this little video.
It's story time.
It's story time. And basically, I'm gonna tell you the time where, like, I was living in my old house, right?
Old house.
Quit repeating me.
I'm sorry.
And basically, like, I'd sleep on the phone with my wife, and then, like, for some reason, I'd always play, like, Lil Peep, and it always make me fall asleep. And it, like, sometimes it'd just make me where I'd bawl my eyes out, and then she'd be on the phone, and she would, like, literally, like, be like, what's wrong? I'll be like, I don't say shit. I don't say nothing. Like, nope. And it'd be like that for like months on months on months on end. And it would just be all like, well, I ain't about to tell you what's wrong because it's my problems, right? And not yours.
Not yours.
This is just gonna be a goofy video. Andrew, say hello to the camera.
What's going on, you guys?
It's Andrew.
Wait,
over there.
remember?
Yeah, he did quit.
Well, he quit. He's a spitter.
I'm twabbing.
He don't swallow. He's a spitter. Cause it's gotta be at least. I want this video to be like what?
What's going on, guys? This is an update video.
No, it's gonna be an update video on our duo together.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're making
So let's do that.
we're gonna probably make an album.
Together.
We're gonna make an album. This is Papa Doc, for those who don't know.
This is Lil Tyler.
He's a famous rapper.
I'm about to make him a famous rapper.
He's gonna be really famous. He's gonna be more famous than me. He's already started rapping.
I've been rapping since I was 7, before you guys were in diapers.
No. Stay. Don't enter. Dude,
What do you think you're doing?
I know what this looks like, but my replacement hasn't been showing up. Okay? Don't get angry at me. Shit! Oh, what? Whoa! What are you doing?
Am I going to get the position job back?
No! No! What are you doing here?
I want the job back.
Oh, what if I don't? What if I don't give it to you?
Then I'll be gone for sure.
Cuts. What's going on, you guys?
Hi.
You're. No, you are not supposed to be here. Why didn't Ring pick up anything?
I want the job back.
No, you're not getting the job back. Shit!
I want the job back.
You are not getting your job back.
I'm gonna get the job.
You are not.
Yes, I am.
Okay, prove it. How are you gonna do?
Give me the job. I want to quit for real.
Then why are you here? How many times are you gonna make me trip?
I don't know.
Just leave off there, and we can edit what else. Just leave off there. Have him against the wall. Have him against the wall, and repeat it.